In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WordPress website from scratch. We'll go from getting your domain and hosting all the way to launching a polished site you can share with the world. First, choose a domain name that matches your brand or purpose. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Then pick a web hosting provider that supports WordPress and offers one-click installation to make setup painless. Many hosts also include an SSL certificate, which secures your site and shows a reassuring padlock in the browser. Next, install WordPress from your hosting dashboard. During the setup, you'll enter a site title and create an admin username and password. Use strong, unique credentials and store them safely. When the installer finishes, log into your dashboard by visiting yourdomain.com/bp admin. Take a moment to get familiar with the WordPress dashboard. Posts are for blog entries, while pages are for static content like home, about, and contact. Appearance controls your site's look, plugins add features, and settings handle key preferences. This is your control center, so a quick tour now will save time later. Now choose a theme to define your site's design. Go to Appearance, then Themes, and select Add New. Browse and preview until you find a style that fits your content. Install and activate it. Remember, a theme changes appearance, not your actual content, so you can switch later if needed. Customize your site under Appearance, then Customize. Adjust colors, fonts, layout, menus, and widgets. Many modern themes also work with visual page builders like Elementor, which let you design pages by dragging and dropping elements. Save your changes as you go and preview on desktop and mobile. Enhance your site with plugins. Head to plugins, then add new and install essentials like an SEO plugin, a security tool, caching for speed, a contact form, and backups. Activate each one and follow the setup wizards. Keep your plugin list lean to maintain performance. Create your core pages by going to Pages, then Add New, and build Home, About, and Contact. If you want a blog, publish posts under Posts, then Add New. Write clear headlines, add images, and use categories to stay organized. Set up navigation under Appearance menus. Create a menu, add your key pages, and assign it to a header or footer location. Check how it looks on mobile, and reorder items for clarity. Before launch, configure your SEO settings, update WordPress, themes, and plugins regularly, and enable security features through your chosen tool or host. When everything looks good, test forms and links, then make your site public and share it through social media, email, and any channels your audience uses. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.